Adelaide has always stand out to me as a place that offers a balanced lifestyle, great education opportunities, a welcoming community, and a beautiful nature environment. It seems like the perfect place to focus on studies while also enjoying a high quality of life. Now I'm working as a physiotherapist at Core Physiotherapy and Pilates studio. I started my Bachelor of Physiotherapy honours at the University of South Australia because of its strong emphasis on practical learning and hands-on experience. The program provides plenty of opportunities for us to practice clinical setting in class with the help of knowledgeable tutors and through placement. These placements allow me to apply what I learned in the real-world clinical setting under the guidance of experienced clinical educators. One of my most memorable experiences was during my final year clinical placement, where I had the opportunity to work alongside a neurosurgeon and a neurophysiotherapy team with patients who have undergone neurosurgery. I gained so much insight into patient care, teamwork, and also balancing multiple conditions. This experience was instrumental in shaping my career direction and preparing me to work independently as a physiotherapist. The healthcare industry is growing fast in Adelaide, with a lot of job opportunities for physiotherapy students when we graduate. I've been fortunate to find roles that align with my interests. My university's career service were incredibly helpful, providing workshops on resume writing, interview preparation, and also hosting career fairs. Building my network also played a key role in securing my job. During my placement, I connect with healthcare professionals who later become referees, and my teachers and clinical educators often share job leads. I also found great support through the Australian Physiotherapy Association and stay active in university and StudyAdelaide events, which has helped me a lot to build a strong sense of community and connect with other international students. Adelaide offers a fantastic work-life balance. In my spare time away from physiotherapy, I love camping with friends. We often take the advantage of long weekends and explore the endless, beautiful nature landscape that South Australia has to offer. From the beach to national parks, Adelaide offers so many stunning spots for outdoor fun.